Cambridge, England, is home to one of the oldest universities in the world, the University of Cambridge, founded in 1209. The University of Cambridge consists of 31 colleges, each with its own unique history and architecture, with King's College being one of the most famous. The city is located on the River Cam, which is popular for punting, a traditional boating activity that allows visitors to navigate the scenic waterways. Cambridge has a population of approximately 130,000, making it a relatively small city compared to other major cities in England. The city is known for its significant contributions to science and technology, with notable alumni including Sir Isaac Newton, Charles Darwin, and Stephen Hawking. The architecture in Cambridge is a mix of medieval, Victorian, and modern styles, reflecting its long history and evolution over the centuries. The famous Cambridge University Library, established in 1424, is one of the largest legal deposit libraries in the world and houses over 8 million books. The city has a vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and music venues, including the Cambridge Arts Theatre and the Corn Exchange. Cambridge is often referred to as the Silicon Fun due to its proximity to the technology and biotech industries, making it a hub for innovation. The city hosts the annual Cambridge Science Festival, which attracts thousands of visitors and showcases the latest developments in science. The Mathematical Bridge, located at Queen's College, is a popular tourist attraction and is famous for its unique design, although the myth that it was built without bolts is untrue. Cambridge has over 100 parks and green spaces, making it one of the greenest cities in the UK and a great place for outdoor activities. The city is known for its bicycle-friendly culture, with numerous bike lanes and rental services available for residents and visitors. Cambridge is home to the Fitzwilliam Museum, which houses an extensive collection of art and antiquities, including works by Monet, Picasso, and Van Gogh. The city was the setting for several famous works of literature, including The History of Mr. Polly by H.G. Wells and The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger. Cambridge has a rich musical heritage, being the birthplace of several renowned musicians, including the band Pink Floyd, formed by students at the university. The Cambridge Union Society, founded in 1815, is one of the oldest debating societies in the world and has hosted numerous high-profile speakers. The city celebrates its annual Cambridge Folk Festival, one of the longest-running folk festivals in the UK, attracting international artists and music lovers. The Cambridge International School is known for its high academic standards and offers a wide range of programs to international students. Cambridge is home to the renowned Whipple Museum of the History of Science, which displays an impressive collection of scientific instruments from various periods. The city has a strong sporting culture, with activities such as rowing, rugby, and cricket being popular among both students and locals. Cambridge hosts the annual boat race between the University of Cambridge and the University of Oxford, which has been held since 1829 and is a significant event in British sports. The city has a diverse culinary scene, with a variety of restaurants offering cuisines from around the world, as well as traditional British fare. Cambridge is known for its annual Shakespeare Festival, where performances of the Bard's plays take place in various outdoor venues throughout the city. The city has produced numerous Nobel Prize winners across various fields, including literature, physics, and medicine, reflecting its academic excellence. Cambridge is also a hub for startup companies and entrepreneurship, with many incubators and accelerators supporting new ventures. The city is famous for its historic pubs, such as the Eagle, where Watson and Crick announced their discovery of the DNA structure. The Cambridge Science Park, established in 1970, was the first science park in the UK and continues to be a centre for research and development. The city has an extensive public transportation system, including buses and trains, making it easy to travel to and from Cambridge. The Cambridge University Botanic Garden, established in 1831, covers 40 acres and features over 8,000 plant species from around the world. The city plays host to various festivals throughout the year, including the Cambridge Beer Festival and the Cambridge Film Festival. Cambridge has a rich history, with evidence of settlement dating back to the Roman period, when it was known as Grantebridge. The city is home to several historic churches, including the Round Church, one of only 4 round churches in England, dating back to the 12th century. Cambridge has a number of notable museums, including the Sedgwick Museum of Earth Sciences, which houses one of the largest collections of geological specimens in the UK. The city is known for its beautiful bridges, including the iconic Bridge of Sighs, which connects 2 parts of St. John's College. Cambridge has a thriving student population, with around 20,000 students enrolled at the University of Cambridge, contributing to its vibrant atmosphere. The city is often referred to as the City of Bicycles due to the high number of cyclists, with many residents using bikes as their primary mode of transport. The city has a strong connection to the arts, with the Cambridge Film Festival showcasing independent films and providing a platform for emerging filmmakers. The city's economy is bolstered by its proximity to London, making it an attractive location for businesses and commuters alike. Cambridge hosts the annual Cambridge Literary Festival, which attracts authors, poets, and thinkers from around the world for discussions and readings. The city has several notable parks and gardens, including Jesus Green, which is popular for picnics and outdoor sports. Cambridge is known for its high-quality education and has been consistently ranked among the top universities globally. The University of Cambridge has its own press, Cambridge University Press, which is the oldest publishing house in the world and publishes academic books and journals.